Hello, my name is Garcia, and today I'm going to be going over my research project on observational studies of birds in South Texas. Laredo, Texas is a border city next to the Rio Grande River, established in 1755. The city tends to be hot most of the time. Fortunately, due to the many species of bird in the area, it is a perfect location for birding. However, as Laredo keeps growing and becoming more urban, the issue is how is it affecting wildlife? According to John Marsloff, urbanization increases bird density and decreases bird richness and evenness, in which richness is the amount of species in an area, and evenness is the relative abundance of species in an ecosystem. The importance of biodiversity is that it is beneficial for human beings. The species richness and species evenness are two methods in order to measure species diversity in a habitat. According to Tu et al., different habitat types are affecting species of birds. The purpose of this study is to see if there is bird diversity in a populated community in Laredo, Texas. The research questions that I have are, is there bird species diversity in a populated community in Laredo, Texas? What type of birds are commonly seen in a highly populated community? In order to gather data results, a bird feeder was constructed and placed outside in a tree. The materials used to make the bird feeder was craft sticks and string. The bird feed used was a universal wildlife seed package, as shown in Figure 2. Gathering data results was collected over 3 weeks, both in the morning and afternoon, when it was not hot. For results, only one species of bird was seen, which was the northern mockingbird. It has a gray body with dark brown feathers and some white patches, which can be easily seen when flying or at a standstill, as shown in Figure 4. The experience from collecting data was quite interesting based on the behavior of the bird found. The location used to gather data results is on an area where there are many cars passing by and traffic moving outside of the neighborhood. In conclusion, the hypothesis was that only a small volume of bird species would be collected due to the highly populated traffic area. According to the data collected, the hypothesis was correct, but the data was very limited, so more research should be done in order to confirm the hypothesis. The changes that can be done to make the project better would be to compare 2 or more locations, set up gaming cameras in order to record the bird's presence in the bird feeder, and mix different foods mixed with the bird feed, such as fruits, in order to attract more birds. Some issues with the project was being limited to only one location due to COVID-19. Timing and planning was another issue that affected the amount of data collected. This study is important because Laredo is becoming more urban, but natural resources still need to be available for wildlife, such as trees, in order for birds to sit upon and make homes. Since Laredo is a critical key stop for many migratory birds, it is important to still have natural environment habitats or specialized homes for them. For future projects, a comparison among different areas in Laredo should be done to see the relationship between the habitat and the bird diversity, as well as seeing how an area that has not been affected by humans and an area that has compares in bird richness and evenness. I would like to thank Dr. Nora Garza, Ms. Rosemary Aguado Riojas, Ms. Juliana Kelly, Ms. Gabriela Solis Cavazos. This project was funded by the Hispanic Serving Institute Title III STEM. Thank you.